indicator fishing at this reservoir, and it's pretty windy, so I don't know how long, but it was really a treacherous drive to get up here, so I want to try it for a minute, and then of course I'm using my go-to, the snow cone. We'll see how it does. There's supposed to be some monster trout in here, but this is a pretty big reservoir for fly fishing. I don't know, we'll try it. I think I got my height pretty good. I don't know. Should be moving more than it is, I think. Very cool, this beautiful bald eagle just sitting up in the tree on the other side of this little area of the lake and just looking down at us like he owns the lake, and I kind of believe he does. I don't know why I try to fish in the wind so much, but it never seems to amaze me that everywhere I go I'm bucking the wind. I don't know if it's just the places I pick or if it just follows me, or is it like smoke? It follows beauty? Because I can imagine that. I mean, I'm pretty damn good looking in my own mind. Anyway, we're using the snow cone midge, and a pretty big one. I'm using the size 8. Got some smaller ones, but that one just hit that 8, so we'll see if I can get another one here. Oh! Got another bite and jerked it right in my face. Had to bleep out my cussing because I got surprised and don't usually cuss a lot, so I bleeped it out for you guys. Driving up here on that rough, terrible travel road for about 10 miles, I swore I'd never come back up here again, but it was a pretty nice day. Hardly anybody there. I don't blame them because that road is just awful, but it was pretty nice, so I probably will make another trip up there, try to spend the day. But, oh, there's one. Woohoo! Yeah, baby. Boy, they ain't big, but he's feisty. Oh, look at that. That's a tiger trout, too. Have you ever seen a tiger trout? Lily, get away. Look at that one. He's beautiful. Look at that.
Oh, that's cool.
That's a tiger trout. Yeah, isn't he beautiful? Wow. Not very big, but okay, get out of here. I don't think it is, because I'm about this deep is all. Because I was watching my indicator trying to get it to move with the wind, and I've just got it at the right distance where it will. Okay, well, this is a lot better place than I thought it was going to be. For a fly fisherman, at least. I caught one in about 10 minutes is on. Nice tiger trout. Pretty cool. Man, that was quite a trip. 10 miles on the roughest, jar-breaking, hardest gravel road I've ever been on. But it was a fun trip. Got to catch a tiger trout. Never done that before, so there we go.